Hey lovers of IJ goods, how are you all doing? Please, in today's video I'm going to show you how I made this yummy moi-moi. Guys, this one no be mouth. So sorry I didn't start from the scratch because at first I have to fry my stew. You know this method where you want to make your moi-moi to be more flavorful and more tasteful, you need to fry your stew. Yes, it's not just you blending tomatoes and crayfish, onions and other things then now boil like that. No, you need to boil, so you need to fry your stew, as in create an avenue for you to start cooking the moi-moi, so that it will give you a very nice, tasteful and flavorful moi-moi. Guys, after cooking this moi-moi, it looks so yummy and it tasted so yummy. It was so soft. What about moi-moi is that you don't need to make it to be so stiff. Just make it to be a little bit watery, so that after cooking it you are going to enjoy it and it is going to be soft for you. Okay, so guys, I'm going to leave you here so that you guys can watch the process, and after watching, please do me well to click on the like button, drop a comment and follow me. Guys, help me distribute this video. Thank you so much.